All right, time now to answer those tax questions. It is tax season, and joining us this morning is Kara King Best from King and Associates. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we had your brother on last week talking about you guys are getting very busy.
Absolutely.
He said a lot of people are, surprised about all the exemptions. I wanted to ask him, I didn't get to it. What is the biggest thing that is no longer exempt that people are kind of surprised about?
So what it is the personal allowances. Somebody who had 2 children last year, they had a $8,200 deduction. That $8,200 deduction is gone, plus the $8,200 for the 2 parents. That's $16,400 in personal exemptions. There's no longer there. So that's really hitting people hard.
All right, so you got to get ready for that. All right, and make changes now for next year.
Absolutely.
Okay, so the first question that we have here, someone wants to know, do I need to file a tax return?
So in determining whether you need to file a tax return, there are 2 things you have to look at. Number 1, your tax filing status, whether you're single, head of household, married, and then your income. So if you are single generally and under age 65, generally if you have taxable income of $12,000 or more, you need to file a tax return. That number goes up to $18,000 if you're head of household, and it goes up to $24,000 if you're married filing jointly. And it goes up even further if you're 65 or older. So married filing jointly and both spouses are 65 or older, that number is $25,600. So it depends on filing status and income.
And if you don't file?
And if you don't file, then then the IRS will eventually catch up with you. The other thing is, though, that if you do have income even below some of those limits and you had federal or state taxes withheld, you want to file anyway to get those federal and state taxes back.
You get to get that refund. All right, next question here. Is there an age limit on claiming my child as a dependent?
So generally, if your child is under 19, you can claim your child with no problem. If your child is 19 and under 24 and a full-time student, you can claim your child with no problem. If your child is 24 or older and permanently or totally disabled, then you can claim your child. So those are pretty much the age limits for claiming a child as a dependent.
And claiming the child as a dependent from 18 to 24, they can't be on their own also claiming.
Right, so
they
file,
independent.
and a lot of times you have college students that have part-time jobs, so they need to file a tax return, but say that they're claimed as a dependent by their parent or by someone else.
Okay, good. I'm glad you distinguished that there. Okay, last question here. I retired last year and started receiving Social Security payments. Do I have to pay taxes on my Social Security benefits?
So sometimes Social Security benefits can be taxable up to 85% of your benefits, but it depends on your other income. So for a single person, the computation says that if you have when you take half of your Social Security benefits and combine it with your other income, if that number is $25,000 or more, then yes, some of your Social Security benefits are taxable. For married filing jointly, that number is $32,000 when combined with your other income. So it all depends on income, but it can be taxable. So, and you can have federal taxes withheld from your Social Security benefits.
All right, Kara, thank you so much for coming in.
All
Your favorite time of the year.
Absolutely.
All right, and if you guys have any tax questions, if you have any of them, if you would like them answered, King Associates will be with us every Sunday through tax season. So send those questions to taxquestions@wbaltv.com, or you can visit our website.